Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another Suzuki Jimny video. Sorry for the fast intro. A lot of bleeps. Anyway, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another Suzuki Jimny video. Really sorry for the fast intro, but gonna work fast, gonna work nimble, wanna do this under 10 minutes. So this video should be 9 minutes and 59 seconds. Is it? Down in the corner? 9 minutes, 59 seconds? Okay, we're gonna clean the Jimny, we're gonna foam it up, give it some TLC, tender love and care, because I made it a little bit dirty. 9 minutes, 59 seconds, let's clean the Jimny. Whew. First thing I'm gonna do, high pressure washer and get most of the dirt, grease and bugs off. Dang it. What the hell? In case you're wondering, this is the Karcher K7 high pressure washer I'm using, and as far as Karcher most of the time dying on me in about 2 to 3 years, this only took 2 months for the display to break down. This spray nozzle thingy, this spray gun, it broke down in less than 2 months. So yeah, I have no display anymore. Still good pressure, still didn't break down, but this is broken already. 2 months. Skills, baby. Skills. Little cool fact about the bed liner. Some people call it Raptor liner, but I call it bed liner for some reason. Look at this. So you get the normal Suzuki paint covered in dirt, and you've got the bed liner covered in dirt also. Now look what happens if I start spraying it with the high pressure washer. Look at that. So now the bed liner is all clean, so mud does not stick to it. But I don't know if you can tell, but to the paint There's still a lot of dirt on it because we'll have to still wash it with a sponge. But I mean, these things do not hold water or dirt. It just falls right off. And it looks a lot better than the grayish original, you know. It's black now. Look at that. Decent. On a normal day I would use the Karcher foam because I really like it, but I was all out of Karcher foam and I ordered this one. This is the Gion. I have no idea how to pronounce it. This is the Gion foam, and I really like it because it smells like bubblegum. Candy. And also using the Autobrite foam gun. Autobrite Direct foam gun. This is like steel on top, not plastic, steel. Worked really good. And yeah, gotta wait like 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Gonna clean enough with the sponge, but first gonna heat up my hands. And why? Because at this moment in time it is 2 degrees. That means, well, like 2 over freezing point. It is almost freezing. Freezingly cold. You know what could really warm me up? Sausage rolls. But I do not have sausage rolls right now. So maybe if you give this video a like, it's all worth getting really cold hands. I do not have cold ears. I have a Christmas hat on. Anyway, sponge time. This is gonna be really cold. Yeah, let's wash the car at 2 degrees with cold water. Oh man. Oh. You guys are not gonna believe this, but so this is Belgian weather. The sun shines. I was like, I'm gonna wash my Jimny, and it just started raining and getting even colder. This is absolutely great. Gotta be kidding me. Funny as hell though. So, how's the weather in the USA? Yeah, also as bad as this? Couldn't get any worse. Even starting to get dark. Crazy. So, yeah, I was going to clean the Jimny, use a towel, make it decent, take it outside, and then make a top 10 why I love my Jimny video. Yeah, that's probably not going to happen right now. Now it even started snowing. It is what it is. Life continues, life goes on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Gonna end the video right here. I'm gonna make that top 10 video another day. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, just click the like button, it's free, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Drive safe, peace.